Our Southwest Florida home was hit hard by Hurricane Irma, and we are working hard to rebuild our paradise. One company who is looking to help is Capital Bank, and here this morning with more is Cindy James. She is the Vice President and Branch Manager. So great to have you back once again.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
So as I mentioned, Hurricane Irma, I know a lot of us still on the road to recovery, but the good news is there's people like Capital Bank that can help, right?
Absolutely. And we want to hear from you. We want to know what you need so that we can tailor the right financial solutions for you.
And what are those options? How can you actually tailor it to our needs?
Absolutely. So what we're going to talk about today is credit cards and other loan products that we have that can help you find your way to financial recovery and also be able to help you find the solutions for the things that are going on after Hurricane Irma.
So what is the benefit of a credit card? I'm just, I always think of my own situation. I was always a person who would pay cash for everything. My husband, completely the opposite. He wants to do everything on a credit card. And I've learned a lot from that because, first of all, in emergency situations like the hurricane, if you don't get cash out of the bank or don't have time or don't even think about it like I did, thank goodness I had the credit card, or just other emergency situations, being able to kind of use that line of credit as well. So I know there's a lot of benefits to it.
So just like you said, a credit card is a revolving line of credit, and it is awesome to have in case of emergency or any disaster strikes. So with a credit card, we can go as low as doing a line of about $300 or to the maximum, determined really based on your credit history and your income. So keep in mind, we do usually do unsecured credit cards, but we do have secured credit cards as well to offer.
Okay. Are you able to actually use a credit card at an ATM and withdraw cash that way as well?
Absolutely. You will be assigned a PIN, and if you don't like that PIN, you can create your own PIN, and you can go to any ATM machine and take out cash.
So there you go, another emergency situation saver right there. Now, what about people who don't want a line of credit or a credit card?
Yeah, and that's understandable. We do recommend a credit card still. You can use it for emergency purposes. So you can apply for a credit card, do the application. Once you're approved, go ahead and maybe use it, take it for a test drive here and there, but then put it in a safe place so that when something does happen, hopefully that it doesn't, but emergency or disaster strikes, you can access it with your important paperwork that you have.
Also at Capital Bank, you have different types of loans specific to different needs too. You mentioned tailoring it to your clients, and you can do that with loans as well, right?
We do have unsecured loans and line of credits.
Okay.
The unsecured loan is a lump sum that you'll receive. And with that lump sum, then you'll have to repay back that loan on the months or whatever you're qualified for. And then the line of credit, an unsecured line of credit, works a little bit like a credit card. Just without having the actual credit card in your hand. But it is a line of credit for you to be able to have access to.
Thank you so much, Cindy. Great to see you. Be sure to head online. We'll have this interview posted at fox4morningblend.com.